Happy Monday, first graders. It is April the 19th of 2021, and it's social studies time. What do you think we're going to work on today? We will identify goods and services in our community. Say these yellow words with me, please. Goods. Services. Nice job. My girl over here, click add to cart. She's shopping on Amazon buying some goods. Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to buy goods? Me too. How are we going to study these goods and services today? We will research goods and services on Pebble Go. Then illustrate and label one of each, a good and a service. Why are we doing this in our journal today? We will understand the difference between goods and services. Remember that word differences? These are different color pink. You have to understand how goods and services are different. You'll draw me one of each today and show me how are they different. First, our favorite research site, Pebble Go. Here we come. Are you ready?
Pebble Go.
I am. Today we're studying
all about money.
Ooh, we're going to use money today. We're talking about goods and services. Ears on? Attendoscopes on your screen? Here we go.
Pebble Go. People buy things they need and want. They buy food to eat and clothing to wear. They also spend money to have their teeth cleaned and their hair cut. All of these things are either goods or services.
All right, now they didn't tell us what's a good, what's a service just yet. Right now we're talking about using money or
spend. To use money to buy things.
Spending your money to buy things. Think of something that you have spent your money on. What did you buy? Tell me. I had to buy some new crayons just the other day. What did you spend your money on? We have tons of things we spend our money on. Like this girl in the photo, you can see she's shopping for some clothes. Clothes are important. We spend money on those. Also for food, we have to have it. That's one of those basic needs we talked about. Or getting your teeth cleaned, haircut. Spending money all the time on needs and wants. All right, ready for...
What are goods?
Pay close attention. You'll be drawing me one good in your journal today.
Goods are real things that people can touch and use. They can be large, like a house or a car. Goods can also be small. Notebooks, bananas, and soap are some small goods.
Okay, we got some really good information on this slide. It says goods are real things that people can touch and use. Like here in this photo are some examples of small goods, like a journal. We can touch it. We use it all the time. Crayons already another good, like I said, I bought the other day. What else do you see here in this photo? Soap. We have to wash our hands, very important. Soap is a good, we use it. Bananas. We eat those. So all food can be goods. Think of some other things. Look around. What else can you touch and use? What do you see? So many goods everywhere. Show me something that you have around you that you can touch and use. Bravo, bravo. Or they can be large goods like a house or a car. Large for you may be a bicycle, a new bed. These are other more expensive goods that we also can touch and use. Now these are all needs and wants. All of those are goods. We touch them and we use them. You got an idea that you're going to put in your journal today for a good? Let me hear. What's your idea? What are you going to draw me? A banana. I'm going to draw a banana.
All about money.
On
What
to
are services?
Services. You're also going to draw me one of these today. Eyes on your screen. Ears on. What's a service?
A service is work done for other people. A dentist's work fixing teeth is a service. Washing cars, mowing lawns, and cutting hair are other services.
So much good information in this slide too. Now, a service, not something you touch and use. A service is work done for people. Say that W word with me, work. Like here in this photo, what's the work this man is doing for this little girl? Fixing those teeth. So that is a service on the little girl's teeth. They're doing work on her teeth. Some other examples you could draw me today besides the dentist could be washing cars. That's a service for the car, getting it clean. Mowing the lawn, cutting the grass, planting the flowers, trimming the trees, all the gardening. That would be a service. And cutting hair. That's a service. There's tons of service. Now, there's no one in my classroom right now, so there's no services I can see, but a teacher teaching you is a service. Think about what other services. Have you been to Taco Bell lately? They serve you food. That's a service. They cook it for you. That's a service. What's another service you can think of in Elgin? What's some work someone does for you? You're going to draw me one today. Here on your screen are some ideas, or I know you have some too. Now, later we'll move on to these producers and consumers. But today we're just
All
focused.
about money.
Today we're just focused on the goods and the, what are these work called? Services. Let's see the video though before we have to go get to work. Buying goods at a grocery store. All right, so before we start, let's think about this. Someone's buying goods. Looking here just at the photo, the screenshot of the video, which person do you think is buying something? The woman with the blonde hair or the man in the blue apron? Which one looks like they're buying something? Did you say the woman? Yes? Or did you say the man? Woman, I agree. I think she's buying something. Now the man is doing a service. In the blue apron, he's scanning and scanning those bananas and the bread and all those goods she's buying. His service is, he is selling the food, selling the groceries, scanning it, ringing it up, getting your money, putting it in a bag, maybe even taking it to your car. That is some work he's going to do for this lady. Let's watch it. Here he goes. See that work? She's bagging it. She's doing some work too. Soda, that's a good. What other goods is she buying? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Sausage? Ooh, I think that's butter. What's that? What's that? Tomates. What's that big old thing? Did you say bread? I think so too. I think that's bread. Now, all of those are goods. You could draw me some of those goods in your journal. This man is doing a service. You could draw me that service in your journal. Whatever you decide today, all I know is you need to get 3 goods out so we can do some service. Please grab your journal. Good 1. Grab your crayons. Good 2. Grab your pencil. Good 3. And do me the service of going over to video 2. And let's get